Welcome students. Let us see a very important topic, very interesting topic, which is percentage. And in almost all competitive examinations like railway, banking, public service commission, civil service examination, staff selection commission, questions are generally asked from this topic. So this topic percentage is very important, but it is very simple. So let us try to start with a very basic concept. What is percentage? As we know, percentage is denoted by this notation, which is known as percentage notation. Okay, so let us see how to calculate percentage. Okay, suppose we write x percent. What does it mean? It means x divided by 100. Okay, so percentage means 100th part. So x percent means 100th part of x by 100. And whenever you write x percent of y, then x percent means x by 100, and you know of means multiplication into this is y. So simply this is xy upon 100. Simply if you have to calculate 20% of 80, how to calculate it? Very simple. 20% means by 100 into 80. Simplify it, we'll get the result. So 0 is cancelled out. Here also 0 is cancelled out. So 2 into 8 is 60. So 20% of 80 is 60. Very simple. Similarly, if you have to find out 25% of 60, so this can be related like this: 25 by 100 into 60. Simplify it. 25 4 ja 100, and this is 50. So answer is here 50. Correct. And reversely, we can write the given fraction or given number in percentage form also. Suppose you have to given 2 by 5 and you have to convert it into percentage, then simply this will be multiplied with 100. So this much percent. 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 into 100%. In this case, when percent is calculated, we have to divide the number with 100, and when we have to convert this fraction into percentage, we have to multiply it with 100. Correct? So this is equal to simplify it. This is 40%. So 40% means 2 by 5. So whenever you write 40% of 50, what does it mean? 40% means, you see, 2 by 5. How 2 by 5? Because 40% means 40 by 100. By simplifying it, we will get 2 by 5 here. And of means into and 50. This is equal to how much? 20. So 40% of 50 is 20. So in this way, we can calculate the value of percentage very easily by dividing this number with 100. And in place of, we have to put the multiplication sign, and again this number will be here, and simplify it, we'll get the answer. Very simple. And in the next video, we'll see very interesting and important questions from the same topic, percentage. So students, remain in touch with these videos and enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.